Hi, Bob Freeman here, MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2018 42 Outrage 60th Anniversary Edition. As you can see the profile of the boat, it's an absolutely gorgeous boat. The size-wise, get the length, there's plenty to keep you running smoothly going forward. You got a very wide beam on this boat, so it's a very stable boat on the water. Large, hard top covering the seating area. And then it's powered by Mercury Verado 350s. You've got 4 of them on here. It's a ton of power for this boat. It needs it. It is a big boat, but it's probably it's a mid-40s boat, give or take a few miles per hour. And it's also, you'll notice on the engines that it's got the joystick piloting, and we'll talk more about that when we get on board. Here we are on board the 42 Outrage. Let's start at the back of the boat. We've got 5 rod holders that span the whole stern of the boat. So plenty of rod holders, and there's rod holders throughout this entire boat. So you'll have more than enough holders to carry all your gear. If you are fishing, great leaning post right here, very comfortable bolster. And if you aren't fishing, if you're going out for lunch, actually before I do that, I'm gonna do the ladder. This is the dive door ladder, which goes, if you want to swim, you can open this up, and that ladder hooks right in here, has a little handrail that you can grab onto, gives you something to grab and pulling yourself back in the boat. And the other thing that it does well is when you're catching a fish, a lot of times when you're bringing the fish over the gunnel, get it right about here, you can lose them, versus you take them out of the water, you can slide them right across into the fish box and not flopping around the deck. It's a great system as far as getting the fish on board safely. Back to, if you're going to go out for lunch, go for a nice boat ride, go to the beach, all you need to do is take this, you grab this here, folds down to a very 4-person seat, very comfortable, and so nice double feature here, leaning post as well as a seat. As we come around to the country kitchen we have here, great work area. It's got a grill. It's an electric grill. The burners are recessed in here so you don't get any smoke when you're cooking. Very large live well. More than enough room to keep all the bait you're going to need. And it does have interior lighting. And when it lights up, especially at night, you can see the fish swimming around here, so it's like you have your own little aquarium on board. Got a sink, drink holders, paper towels, place to keep knives and all kinds of utilities right here. So really nice setup here. You got a fridge, has a freezer in it, hold about 3/4 of a 10-pound bag of ice. Storage all throughout here. Then when we lay this back down, if you're not using this and you're just going for a ride, you're gonna flip this up. Now you have a whole nother bench seating here as well. 3 to 4 people, 3 very comfortably. Up near the captain, which the captain likes, having the company up closer to him, so you can have 3 here and 3 here. Everybody's gonna have conversation together without yelling towards the back of the boat. So really nice feature. It does have some AC vents here, blow in some cool air, and you got 2 here as well. So you've got each person sitting here is gonna have their own vent blowing cool air on them. As we move to the helm area, 3 very, very comfortable helm seats. They're basically all the same. They're all like captain's chairs. They're all adjustable and back and forth. And it also has the platform that I'm standing. You can, if you're tall, you can have it up. But I'm a shorter person, so I have it down. Gives me perfect clearance over the windshield, and kind of a nice feature here. So at the helm, we've got Whaler's traditional steering wheel right here with the handle on it, and then you got Raymarine, the large Raymarine with the touch screens, 2 AC vents, all nice, neat, clean switches, no rockers, just push buttons only. You've got your Smart Craft here, you've got your Fusion stereo right there, and then this is the Seakeeper. Works tremendously. It reduces the side-to-side motion by about 90%. It's fantastic, and that's the thing that a lot of times the side-to-side motion is what people get seasick. And you've got the automatic trim tabs So it's self-leveling, so you don't even have to touch them, and it'll just work as it's needed. And that's a really nice feature as well. And the digital throttle and shift, once you pull out of the slip, I hit the one lever. I actually get that out of the way myself, so it reminds me I'm just using the one lever, and one lever controls all 4 engines. So they're always exactly in sync, which is better for me, and it's better for the engines as well. Then you've got the joystick. So coming into a marina and you got a side tie, all you need to do is just hit this like this, and this boat will go sideways right in. You've got full control of the boat right here. You've got Skyhook feature. The Skyhook is if you're waiting for a slip assignment, waiting for a bridge going up, any of that type of thing, you can just hit that button and it will just lock the boat in position with a GPS within about a 10-foot radius. Really nice. I use it for sunsets as well. Just point it at the sun, go sit up front, and you're all done. Hit the button, you go without using the anchor. So great feature. And it also has an auto heading system. So this is an autopilot, and all it is, you point the boat the direction you want to go, you pick out a spot or a mark or whatever it is, you hit it and you go. No entering waypoints, any of that stuff. So they've really made the autopilot a lot easier. So as we move down into the Salon, for a center console boat, it's a pretty large Salon, so it's set up comfortably for entertaining down here as well. This actually will convert into a bed. That back panel will pull out, and your feet would actually go down inside there, so 2 people or 3 could actually sleep comfortably here. There is a table that goes up in there. It flips open and everything else, so it's really nice table, but very large seating area. Rod holders. Really nice rod holders on both sides, port and starboard side. And then you've got your galley, another refrigerator down here, same as the one we saw up top with the freezer. TV, you've got a microwave right in here. Double sink, so you've got that there. Trash. And just nice setup. Nothing overly crazy, but enough to do the job. You're not going to go for a month on the boat, but nice weekend, does the job well. Nice head. You've got the shower as well, and it comes right out of the ceiling. So it's got a rain shower. So for as far as a boat, that's kind of really cool feature of it. You got an opening window up there that'll let some fresh air in there if you need it. So nice setup. It's all you're going to need. Good size in here as well. So let's move up top. You've got the handrails with the bolsters run all the way around the boat. You've got a top of the line stereo in here. This sound system will absolutely rock you. You've got recessed cleats, which is nice. They're not a trip hazard. Not so much here, but when you're out on the bow, nice feature. You got handrails all the way around. You got extra storage all the way along the sides here as well. Rod holders all the way up. More sound drink holders, remote control for the stereo, switches to make this table. It's set up now as a sun pad. You hit the button and this will come up. The table will come up you got a teak table right there. And it will come up for a cocktail table, eating. It's a great place to sit when you're just out at the beach, just out hanging out. Great place to use that. And then here, the setup, you can put 3 adults extremely comfortable in here. Drink holders for everybody with the armrests. You can make this here. You can actually this is a fish box, so it's a large fish box, and you got them down below your feet as well. So you can use these fish. You can ice this down for drinks or whatever you may want up here. And then this here will double as a seat. So when the table is up here, it's like this. You can have people sitting all around the table, eating, having something to drink. Very comfortable. You've got the lounges on both sides that come up. More comfortable seating. And then the we've got the Marine open array spotlight, and this boat is equipped with night vision, which is a really nice feature. It'll get you in safely at night. Mark, as you can see things in the water, small as a bird in the water. Crab pot, you can see everything with the night vision on there, so another nice feature. So one-piece windshield, big hard top. The boat just really isn't missing anything. So if you have any questions on the 420 Outrage, my name is Bob Freeman. You can give me a call at 603-213-1194.